guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the Amazon and Personal Shopper unboxing videos that kind of have disappeared from my channel recently. I know that a lot of you used to like those videos, so I did want to give you an update on what's happening with that. Why is it happening? Am I ever going to do them again? So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Like a whole segment. It's the Amazon Personal Shopper box where a stylist goes, picks out items that they feel fit my style. They send them to me, I try them on, and then I send back whatever I don't keep, or I purchase the items that I want, and they don't charge you until you make your selection. So you have like a 7-day try-on period, and then you send it back. Well, if you guys remember from my last video, it took like 2 months for them to send me one order because an item was on back order, and I ended up canceling that last item and just returning the rest of the items. So I did that video, tried on the stuff, and I sent it back. And this was, I want to say like February, March, right around that time frame. So it's been quite some time. So since that, a couple of weeks after that, I did go back and order another Personal Shopper box. And they picked it out, they picked the items, and you go through, pick the ones you want them to send you, and you know, that's how it works. Well, because I had canceled the previous item, that one item that never came, that leather skirt, it put that first order in like a pending status, even though I had already shipped out all the other items. And I said, don't send me that leather skirt that's been on back order for 2 months. It put it in a pending status. So what it was doing is, for the new order, it was telling me that I had too many pending orders open and I couldn't choose from the stylist picks. So I'm like, what is going on here? So I reached out to customer service, and you know, they were very nice, and they were like, okay, I see what happened here. You know, we're going to go ahead and cancel that because you sent back the items, you cancel that skirt. So give it 24 hours, go back in, pick your items. So that's what I did. Chose my items. They sent me the items, which, by the way, I didn't do a video on that one because it was horrendous. And because I was kind of pissed off with the whole Amazon Personal Shopper thing. And I'm like, you know what? I can't do a video at the moment about this box because I need to figure out the situation. So as they were sending me the box, I got the items, I got the box, and I tried them on. And the 7-day period ended right on a holiday. I forget. Was it like May? I think it was May that this happened. So Labor Day. Right? No, not Labor Day, Memorial Day. So the 7-day period was ending on Memorial Day. And normally what I do is on the 7th day, I choose my picks if I'm keeping any, and I send the rest back. Well, for whatever reason this time around, because the 7th day was on a holiday, it charged my card. It didn't even allow me to log out or to choose my items. It just completely charged my card. And we're talking the high-end box here. So $800. They charged my card $800 for a bunch of crap that they sent me. Because let me tell you, that box was crap. And I was like, what the heck is going on? Like, this is nutty. So I called them, and they were like, oh yeah, it like automatically did it because of how it fell on the holiday. But if you put it in the mail, we'll send you new labels to send them out, and we'll go from there. And I'm like, wait, you're going to send me new labels to send out these boxes that already came with labels to send them out in? That doesn't make sense. So they sent me this email. The labels, there was no labels to print. It was like a code, but you couldn't like print out the code. And I know the code is what you bring to Kohl's. I think Kohl's is like the Amazon return station here in my area. But I normally have like the UPS sticker. I stick it on, I drop it off at a UPS box, and we're good to go. I waited for like a week. They never sent me like an actual label, and the codes that they were sending me, I couldn't print them out. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna put the labels that came with the boxes, we're gonna ship them out the old way. So I went to Staples, I got my little receipt that says I dropped them off, we're good to go. A couple of weeks go by, and I get an email from Amazon saying they're gonna charge my card for an order that they never received. Now, mind you, they had already charged my card the $800 for this package that I just recently shipped out. Back in May, we're talking. So I'm like, what is this order that they're now saying I never returned? I go look at the order, and it's the one from February. You know, the last box that I did a video on. They're trying to tell me they never received those items, so they're going to charge me for those items as well. And I'm like, whoa, wait a second. You already have like $800 charged to my card from these items that should have given me one more day to check out. And now you're telling me that the items from February that have been long shipped out, we're talking months here, people, you're now going to charge me for? And I didn't even keep any of those items. So I called them, and I was pissed. And I was speaking to someone, his name was Ben, he was super nice. And basically this is what Ben told me. Ben said, Giselle, we understand what's going on here, and it's crazy, we know it. It shows in our computer system that you shipped back these items. It clearly shows the courier picked them up from that location, and it shows they have arrived in our Amazon warehouse. The problem is this, we don't have enough staff right now, and we are so backed up that we haven't even been able to open the returns from that February-March timeframe. So the computer automatically kicked out a message that it was going to charge you for them. And I'm like, okay, so what's going to happen here? And he's like, don't worry about it. I am canceling that like charge for, I'm sending you another email. We're not going to charge you for it. I've already confirmed. It shows the packages are here. So eventually we'll open up the package and we'll get to those. As far as the $800 that we automatically charged you, we're going to go ahead and we're going to credit that back. So he told me it was going to take about a week to credit back the $800. It happened within a week. They had credited back all of the items that they had charged me over that holiday. And we have not had issues since then. Now, while that was all happening, I did cancel the subscription because I felt like there was too much crazy going on at that moment. I didn't want to have all of these monthly personal shopper box picks like adding up here and not really resolving the issue from February and the issue from the Memorial Day weekend. So we have gotten to a point now where that is all resolved. That's all settled down now. And I feel like I'm going to go back and give them another try with a personal shopper box and see if there's any other incident that happens again. I feel like I owe them another shot, give them another try, and see if there are any more issues, because I want to say there was 10 or 11 boxes previous to this that I had no issues whatsoever. And it's something that started happening at the beginning of this year. So that is a pretty good run of, 10, 11 boxes with no issues. Hopefully they've gotten their crap together and I can give them another try. I'm going to be starting up that subscription again. So hopefully, fingers crossed, because I think I said this last time, I'm going to have a future personal shopper video. Fingers crossed, if everything goes well, there will be a future Amazon personal shopper box. I'm sorry, that was very long-winded. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel like this was helpful in any way or informative, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've had any experiences with Amazon personal shopper box that has not been to your liking. Like I said, had no issues with them whatsoever until recently, so that's kind of sad. If you are not already subscribed, I hope that you will consider subscribing and becoming a part of my subscriber family. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!